Hey, Sam here, guys. Look, if you want to make money online, it simply comes down to three things. Generate traffic, that traffic then converts into leads, convert those leads into sales. That's it. Now, strangely enough, blogging's not going to get you leads and sales. Yeah, that's right. You need traffic. Now, sure, writing a blog content or blog post has the potential to get you traffic because now you have something to share, you've even got something to potentially get ranked in the search engines. But unless you share it, unless you get it ranked, you're not going to get any traffic or very little traffic, and therefore you're going to get very little leads and therefore very little sales, if any, as well, right? So when you've got to get better at promotion, you've got to get better at promoting your content, your posts, you've got to get better at social media, you've got to get better at SEO, you've got to get better at traffic in general. So that's what basically I teach me and my team. Now also, I've just found a very unique and very innovative way of getting a whole bunch of very targeted traffic and really leveraging not just your efforts, but efforts of dozens, hundreds, even thousands of people scattered right throughout on the internet. If you click the link below, it'll actually take you straight to that page. You can actually see what it's all about. I'm also going to put another link there which gets you a whole bunch of free training to actually show you how to get traffic. You know, not just about writing posts and whatnot, but actually getting traffic and how to convert that traffic into leads and then convert those leads into sales. And that's what it's really all about. It's not complicated. You can keep it very simple, and your online marketing should be fun. It should all be about having fun and enjoy. You didn't get online to sit 18 hours online in front of your computer. If not, what do you leave your job for, right? So look, click the link below. It'll take you straight there, and you can see this. You can see how to get super targeted traffic and loads of it, and leverage your efforts right throughout the internet. And also, so I'll give you a link to a whole bunch of other free training as well. Anyway, guys, over and out. If you like the video, share it, comment, like it, all the crazy stuff, and have fun. See ya.